Hi everyone, this is Carla Y. Nix with today's inspiration, and I am so thankful to be here today. I thank you for listening. I thank those of you who do take the time to see what Carla has to say today. Thank you. But my prayer is that it is helpful in some way, and that maybe I've said something that you needed to hear just today, just now. It's amazing when God sends a word that's made tailor made for us. And He uses people like me, people like you, just ordinary people, to fulfill that purpose to help one another. And that's a blessing. And I'm thankful and grateful. Which brings me to my point. I've been feeling, I can tell you right now, I'm in a state of burnout. I am actually burnt out. I'm tired. And I've gotten to a point where I'm just really fed up in many ways about many things, and in some cases I've lost interest, and I just really don't care anymore. I hate to say it like that, but I don't have the same passion, and I don't know, I'm going through some kind of change. I don't know what it is, but I could just sum it all up by saying burnout, and that's in all areas of my life. And I say this often when I speak on here. Please don't try to figure out exactly what I'm talking about, in what area, because really, it crosses all areas of my life. And and I thought about it, and I was just fed up and frustrated again today. And then I was thinking, I said, okay, well, yeah, you're burnt out. You need to lean back and chill. You need to relax and kind of let it go. But also, Carla, what you need to do is not bask in the burnout, but you need to bask in gratitude. We're in the season of Thanksgiving, and I say it like that because, I don't like the idea that this country just sets aside one day out of the whole year to give thanks. Although I know that's not the case with everybody, but for the most part, that's what Thanksgiving is about. And then it's almost like Thanksgiving is even being edged out. They jump from Halloween to Christmas. They've been celebrating, well, advertising and all for Christmas, and it's like, well, nobody says anything about Thanksgiving other than food and eating, and that has nothing to do. Well, that's not giving thanks. Although, we should be grateful for the bounty that we have and the food that we have. But what I'm saying is that Thanksgiving is much more than the turkey. It's much more than the ham. It's much more than all that food that y'all gonna have on that table, including us, on next Thursday. But Thanksgiving is something that comes from the heart. And so, instead of basking in my burnout and my dissatisfaction in many things, I've decided that I'm just going to bask in the gratitude and being grateful. And it's not just because of Thanksgiving, but because this is the season of Thanksgiving. I still would like to encourage people to, yes, give thanks. Don't just say, oh, well, it's just one day. No, start today, right now, and be determined in your heart that every day you're going to be thankful and you're going to give thanks. And so, for the next few days, next week, I hope to share something of what I'm grateful for, what I'm thankful for, and I'll start today. I'm not going to wait till next Thursday. I'm right now. Today is what I have. I might not even be here next Thursday, but I'm here right now. And I want to just say thank you, Lord, right now. I thank God for life. I thank God for the life that He's given me. I thank Him for the life that He's breathed in me. I thank Him for the opportunity to live and to give and to share and to use everything that He's given me. He's given me so much, and I thank Him for that, and I thank Him for allowing me to use everything that He's given me. And it is my choice to use it or not. He's blessed me. He's given it to me. He's graced me with it. There's a song right now that I love. Donald Lawrence, I believe, does it. Your gift looks good on you. It looks good. He's graced you. It looks good. And that grace is favor. He's graced each and every one of us. You know, you may be going through things, you may feel that everything is against you, that there's so many obstacles, but trust me, God has smiled on you with his favor, with his grace, with his love. If you just think, what am I thankful for today? The fact that you can hear my voice right now is something that you should be grateful for. That means that you're alive. That means that you have another opportunity to serve him. That means that you have another opportunity to glorify his name. You're breathing right now. You're able to enjoy this wonderful life. So join me in thanking God and praising God for life. God bless you. Have a great day. This is Carla Wynix with today's inspiration.